we have some sticks here, right? Natural sticks. And we have all the sticks I already painted before. It's another way to have fun with sticks. Look at the many colors that you can add. You can use washable painting, and if you want to be more in advance, you can use acrylic that can stay longer. Look at this. It's green for one side, pink for the other side. And with all the sticks, you can do anything that you would like to do, like building. For example, I can build something. Let's see. Love to see the colors. Look at the